Welcome to the Canva classroom, everybody. A lower third is a graphic overlay placed in the lower area of the screen, but you can place your animation anywhere on your video designs. Let's learn how to get a custom subscribe animation using Canva Pro. If you use Canva for free, don't worry. There will be plenty of tips and tricks for you to use today as well. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is open up a document type in the correct size. If you are using the animation in a YouTube video, the size 1920 by 1080 pixel is the one you want. We are going to make 3 different animations today, and I will show you how I put them in my video editor later. But you can do a search to see what the best way is to add green screen animations to your video editor. The first thing I do is create a lime background. I'm going to click the rainbow background color up here and type in lime, and this is the color that I'm going to use. Type in subscribe, and you will have a lot of different things, but go to the videos tab. There are a lot of pro videos that you can use, like this one. That one's fun. I'm going to try to find the one that I used before. Here it is. This one is called subscribe button on green screen. Right click, replace background. What I like about this one is that it is the correct size. I'm not going to have to do any resize in editing. Let's go ahead and download this one. Download MP4 and choose the page. So for me, my page will be 14. And click download. While that is in the background downloading, we're going to move down to this one. You can use animations with a box like this. And the first thing I'm going to look up is corner rectangle. Then I'm going to go to all and grab this one. Click on it and flip it horizontally so that the line is over here instead of on this side. And you see how when I move it, this little box pops up? That's the margin. I'm actually just going to take it down to the bottom margin spot and slide it over, actually a little bit off of the design. I can change the color, and I'm just going to make it black. Subscribe. Animated YT YouTube subscribe button. I'm just going to use that one. It comes up really big. The white dot, I'm going to left click it and make it smaller, and then put it about the margin spot. When I click that, it gives me a magic recommendation of this bell. So I'm going to go ahead and click that and do the same thing. Shrink it down and just put it here on the side. Let's go ahead and download it. We'll scroll down here. It's on page 16 and click done, download. You can use any font you want. You can put little comment notifications. Rounded square. Here's the rounded square, and it is also free. And what I'm going to do is take this down all the way to the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and change it to red. You'll see, well, it won't go any smaller. It will. You just need to shrink your box down. And now I could take this and bring it out like that. There we are. You see on the margin. And then we'll bring it right outside the document. And now add a text box. Comment below. Maybe you want it to say link in description. I'm going to change this to white. I'm actually going to make it a little smaller I'm going to give it an effect of lift intensity. It's a link. So there's one that's free. If you have a pro account, you could use any of them. So I'm going to click the little link, go to animate, and for this one I'm going to go pan. And for the text, I'm going to go with bounce and MP4. I'm going to go down to 18, click done, and download. If you don't want to use the green screen effect, if green screen is a little too difficult, then there is something that you can do. You can click upload media and grab a simple video file. I don't have any particular that I want to use, so I'm going to go to the Elements tab and look up something in video. This was my video. And let's say that this is what I wanted there. I'm just going to copy it and put it. Oh, so if that happens, if your control copy gets stuck, then copy it like this. Right click and copy, and then go down and paste with your keyboard. And you see how it just is in that little segment? And then you would be able to download that one little clip and put it into your editing program. And that's how you do not have to mess with green screen at all. Here's my video editor. Here's where I was editing that last portion, and here is that segment. I'm going to bring in 3 green screens. I'm going to go up here to open file. This is ShotCut. I'm going to just grab this one. I think this is the one that looks like this. I'm going to go to add a filter. There we go. Chroma key simple, and it just took it away. So now let's watch it. And that's what it looks like. Now let's look at the next one. Here it is. Remember this? I'm going to click plus. I'm going to click Chroma key simple and then drag it down here. Let's see what it looks like. That's pretty good. Now let's look at the last one. Plus, Chroma key simple, bring it down. I like that a lot. I might start using something like that. Why was that one 5 seconds and that one was originally like 10 seconds? I'm going to show you that. When I click here, you will notice that there is a timer, edit timing. If I change it 10 seconds, it would download as a 10-second video. Most of the time with animations, when I'm doing animations, I'll do it at 10 seconds and then I'll cut off the extra. If you type in lower third, you'll get a whole bunch of animations, like here's coming soon. It's technically not an animation, but if I click on it and do pan, then it is an animation. Now this one would be a little difficult to green screen out. You would probably want to put a box or a rectangle. So this was just R on the keyboard, and we'll turn it black. I prefer when I'm doing green screen to do a simple rise or something. It's a little easier with breathe. Stomp is a little hard to green screen out. So you just got to play around with your editing program and figure out what's simple and what's not. I would really love to be able to share with you exactly what these are. So what I'm going to do is in one of them, if you are a Canva Pro member, I'll leave you a template with the Canva with all of the icons. So if you have a Canva Pro account, you'll click one link in the description. If you have a Canva free account, you'll click another, because I don't want you to have a bunch of stuff that you can't use. What we're going to do on Friday is a Frugal Friday, and I'm going to take these elements right here, which are pro elements, and I'm going to recreate them for free. So come back on Friday, especially for you Canva free users, and I look forward to seeing you then. In the meantime, watch the video either on the left or the right now. And if you like today's tutorial and want to see more like it, don't forget to comment. I'm a YouTube content creator, so that I know to create more tutorials like this one. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.